before I close my Monday motivation. Guys, today ke kopa ho share something, ne? Johnny Di Chabe na lady go itsimang Diamond so ke mang Celia ke tse ke mang Prophet Mama dumelang guys, ke kopa share something asa singa etsa jwa mara ke khathetse ma ke kopa share something very quick, ne? Especially for batho good morning ke lebogile mara le bangata kopa ke kana ka lebitsa ka mabitso guys, ke kopa fela ke share fela very quick, ne? Ke kopa share very quick, ne? This demonstration nkile ka etsa khale, ne? Bo Johnny Di Chabe le ba bang ba tsebang nkile ka etsa demonstration ena khale, long time ago nkile ka etsa this demonstration. Ke ne ke re most of us, ne, especially black people, most of us batho ba batsho ha re tsebe ho dilana le problem e re tlosetseleng, ne? A re tsebe ho dilana le problem, re batho ba sa tsebeng ho dilana le problem re di tlosetseleng, ha re tsebe next ho dilana le di problem re di tlosetseleng. Abantu ba mnyama, most of black people we don't deal with the problem, and you know what normally what you do, we decide to entertain the problem. There's a difference between when you deal with the problem or to entertain the problem. But Kabo Madimabi, most of us, we are these people who like to entertain the problem. Most of us, we like to entertain the problem. What is entertain the problem? Entertaining the problem. Entertaining the problem is to think about it and meditate it. Ka problem and you don't sleep sometimes. You are only meditating a problem. When Ribuaka entertain a problem, Ribuaka ka hudula on this whole thing everything. That is why most of us, otabona moto are I'm 30 years, but the same person at 30 years, kapa 40 years, unsana linto enting imu bodara ya 5 years ago. That is why we've got people bantu ba bodaru akidi into 5 years ago. 30, une 30 years, une 40 years, but this is corner lento mbetayo. Usansa bodaru ki dinto tsabo 25 tsabo 5 years ago. Kwa bantu abasa betwa abasa frustrated izinto so 5 years ago isambethana namhlanje. Why? Because most of the time we like to entertain the problems, not to deal with the problems. Now here is the problem. Now two, most of people who are entertaining problem, sometimes entertaining the problem is depression. That is number one. Most of the time when you entertain the problem, you must know that you are calling the depression to come to you and to come to your life. Once we entertain a problem, you need to know entertaining problem what is a depression. That is number one. Now and then two, what is you become numb or weak. Problems do yet or be weak. Why? Because most of the problem is your drainer. Do drainer spiritually, do drainer emotionally, do drainer mentally. Most of the time, when you entertain problem, you must know that ubita depression. And depression is something that drains a person. It drains emotionally, it drains to drain kelelo. That is why as we speak, today it's Monday. There are people who are so much hopeless, who who are weak emsebenzini. Some of you, as we speak, umosebenzini utewethu. But also tewethu, so you are so depressed, you are weak, you are miserable, you are frustrated. Why? Because one of the things Erishapang is to entertaining the problem. That is number one. Now, how do we entertain the problem? Number one, here is you nguelo. Now, and then kwena yena. Let's all learn like esisandla sam si represent wena. This is you. Now Satan is a problem so. When Satan is a problem, you entertain this problem. We entertain this problem. Then how to entertain a problem here? Satan prepare young way. And let me show you something, guys. When let's say this is you. You are weak, you are able to jump, to go up and down, to do your things, to do your plan, to push your dream. If nguelo, let's all learn. These hands represent you. Now, when these hands sisna anything, come on, someone, these hands, if you don't have anything, if you don't have a frustration, stress, now you are able to be flexible. Ukahona planner, ukahona sebeta, ukahona push out how you think, unahana right with everything. When it's all how Lily, when it's you, only song, only light in your mind, only writing. You are going to be able to push your dream very easy, to be flexible, musebeting, to be energetic, musebeting. If you are running business, you are going to be flexible. You try that in Toman easy. We talk about easy because you don't have the total border and so frustrated. Now you are going to be productive. If you are running business, you will plan a handle, you will be productive. If you are in a marriage, you will plan a linear lahao because you are light. You don't have anything you bother. Now here is the problem. Number one, Satan utlisa uzisa inlaki kengoko abaybe. Now you've got a problem. Now nothing like here chikengoko. Here is our biggest problem. Not the problem. Here problems. You've got the problem. You don't deal why entertain. Why entertain a problem? Satan ababo now. Oh, can feel a problem. Now who are reakayona? Why entertain? We get uhambangayo. Uya musebe thing unali problem in. One robala, you have this problem. We are happy, you've got this problem, you have this problem. Now, by doing that, Satan Sansa Bonor, oh, Yama mu feel a huge problem. Now, how soon are the problem? Now, soon are the problem. Now, one, your plans, they are changing. Your video plans, everything, they are changing. Now, you start to focus to this problem. You start to focus a problem here. Then Satan about okay. Now we entertain the problem. Satan about let's add more. Satan about add another problem. Now the problem now we are calling we email as well. Now still you don't deal with the problem again. You don't deal with the problem. You are entertaining the problem. Guys, I want you to understand it's dangerous when a person entertain a problem than to solve the problem or to deal the problem. And most of us, we are not dealing and solve the problem. We choose to entertain our problems. Now, here's the problem. Now, sedility no. Hutile young here another problem now. Still now, you don't deal the problem. You don't deal the problem. Zongeze kamgoko. Unsodi entertain. Every time now vuka saying, now what's back? Kila lebo tata. before robala ke na le bothata emini handinengxaki. Every time wena ubua uthetha ngezingxaki zakho. By doing that, some of you don't know who you are entertaining, because each and everything obuang kayona, every time now teta you teta ngalondo, it means that thing is the kiona dominating your mind. Yonke into thetha ngayo, everything yobuang kayona, everything yonahana kayona, kuxela uba it is the one that is dominating in your mind. Now, kwena yona here only another problem, but still how do you now Satan about okay, let's add more problem, because this person will entertain the problem. Now that's when now it's you, it's the problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3. Zikheli phezu kwakho ngoku. Sedi dutsi udima how the problem is him. Di dutsi kelelo nyao, di dutsi mpelo nyao. That's when now uqala oba weak. That's when now uqala oba emotionally weak, mentally weak, physically weak. That is why now as we speak kukwabantu ngoko baphandele, but you can't even enjoy your work. You can't enjoy what you are doing. You can't do anything. Now it get depression. Now it's a depression, you know. Now you are depressed. Thank you so much. Now you are depressed. Now, what is the depression? Depression. There is something depressed. There is something up in London. And the reason why didn't do it is because you don't know how to deal leading towards it and kelelo wena niaka izinto zihlale zingqondweni zenu dile hatele dile frustrated thing. So here is the thing. Let me monkey the truth. If you want to survive, if you want to survive, you are right. Automatically, you're going to forget about your dream and you are going to forget because now you are entertaining. Dintoten o file dintotena ke tsona tso di feeling o di feel attention. Get the sense? Dintotena o di feel attention. So if you want to survive, let me try to help other people more. Baba, if you want to survive, let's say this is you. Then Satan is a problem. We build the The first thing you need to deal the problem here. Because if you don't do that, another problem is still coming. Yes, and if you don't deal Leonena, the other one is also coming. Yes. Now, if you want to survive, if it's you, and then Satan is a problem, Kauleza have a way of dealing the problem here. And I know some of you can't deal with your problem at your own way. Some of you guys, I know, problem. You can't deal with your problem. That is why the entertainer. You can't deal the problem. Now, the sad part, when you have these problems, you go to your friends, you go to whoever. How to say, yo, Marty, I've got this problem. So, problem. Now, your problem, your friend, how to deal the problem. Len, to sa ubuakayo. Renalabat, who cannot help us to deal with the problem at all. But Bakamba Babua Katson, yo, Mohotu Akauche, yo, I think it's on Uzokan Zanjani, yo, and Increasa Bushoko in Lom are out to see to bring a solution to your problem. But we're saying, Learn, to Sao Bua, to entertain your problem. Already you've got the problem and you want somebody who can help you to overcome your problem. But there's the wrong thing that we are doing. We always go to the people who doesn't have solutions. Who doesn't have solutions? But of the same, you go to somebody and you want to tell this person, you know, I've got a problem, you can really challenge. Now, when you go to that person, instead of this person out to overcome your problem and then to bring a solution. Now, Leana will say, Leana will choose you, we are Netisa, who choose who work a problem. Yo, I get you get so now we are saying you our total solution, our to Sahel, and most of us we normally go to the people who doesn't have solution for our problems. And two, we like to discuss our problem about abangana solution. Never to us the solution for us. We spend time. We call them. We WhatsApp them. But this person doesn't have a solution for your problem. Now, still, una need a friend, but una need a problem. There are people who've got a lot of friends, Mari. Yo. But your problems, they are tools in like Izako. You've got people, you've got friends, Maru, are by useless, all of them. They can't even help you to bring solution to change your mindset. But means phone did 30 different. Your phone did 30 different. But as we speak, you are going through a lot. But you don't have somebody who can help you to overcome your problem. So, if you want to survive, number one, if it's you, then problem deal the problem, and then wait to settle. And then Satanatli say deal your wait to settle. Learn how to deal the problem. Learn how to deal the problem at all. If you don't know how to deal with the problem at all, then Batana Liruna, Sifunetin, Sizabnetatin. Because we've got people boiling the problem solver. Runa, we are problem solvers. Areba to fail Runa Dr. November. We are a problem solvers. Tina, ready solutions. That's the problem it's about. That is why when you hear, when you have a friendship, you need to be careful of friendship in your society. Because we're not about to be good about the problem solver. If when you don't have your way of solving your problem, then Bakamut, who's good to solve your problem, so that the problem is how this gets a pile. Find Bakaba took a baga kokanwen, baga honang or float, baga honang or yet or about to so or overcome the problem itself. So, in closing, guys, when you have a problem, go and you have a problem, Dilana the problem. If yana hono Dilana leon, then Dilana leonwe. If this one yaukula, then don't allow anyone with another problem or dinner the pile. Dilana liena, Satanatli sayena, u dilane leona, Satanatli sayena, uno dilane leona. By doing that, ukasi slowly over depressed, ukasi slowly over emotional trained, ukasi slowly. If you can master tabayo dilana the problem is ukasi slowly over depressed, ukasi slowly over miserable, ukasi slowly. I'm telling you. Thank you so much, guys. Can you get a Monday motivation? And thank you so much. And Kalerata, that Ali bless him. How whole? Question that when we have a problem in life, do we offload or solve the problem. You need to know your problem, Kabel. It's good to offload your problem, but you need to remember, telling the problem when you offload. When you offload your problem, sometimes it's just because of bother, not because of frustrated. Let me say this: there are problems so bother, so irritate, not so frustrate. Problem so bother, so irritate. Not to offload. You can offload because this thing you bother, but not your frustrated. Maybe you're irritated. Then why offload? But there are problems so something deal and you need to deal with on. And let me say this so that you must understand me. You need to know the kind of a problem you're dealing with. Or a key problem is solution, a problem is non-solution. You know there are problems as non-solution. Even if you can do whatever, that problem does not have a solution. That one here. Okay, let me shift my mind to you and focus to this thing and do things. Entertain that entertain a problem, because we need to understand when I did the problem cooking like as we get change. There are problems. Cycles can't change today. Didn't it change? Didn't it look? But not today. So tell you get on that joking Musomu wa not because you're irritated, you're frustrated, and you know say change into it. But non-term frustrated and re-entertain the problem full time. Entertain the problem is high at everywhere. Listen and lead the solution. Entertain. Ready Jerry Siambangazo. Ready Tamakatson. And the sad part, as many problems as it didn't need the solution. But the reason was a totally solution, it is because you don't focus to the solution or focus there to your problem. You've got some people, they've got a lot of problems. And the problem, it is not like a dinner solution. Dinner need a solution. But the reason why you don't find the solution, it is because you are not concentrating to the solution. You are concentrating to your problem. Now, that is why there is nothing wrong to offload. There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to talk about. I always do that. But when you talk because you irritate and then but I don't like to entertain problem, because most about you but entertaining the problem about healing like izabo zihleli up zihleli ezingqondweni zabo. The problem is about did you teaching kelelo tsabo abantu batyethe guys batho bajere the problem but sama ka the problem eso. Why? Because ababatle udi deal na le tsona instead babatla udi entertain. So if you don't know how to deal with the problem itself, please recontact Runa Sugnete. Please recontact the guys. Please recontact Runa Rekalitusa. Thank you so much, guys. From today, you know, I believe solutions are there, but we don't prefer solution. Yeah, you are right, Dimakas. You are 150% okay. You know what I did yesterday, Kireke? And I did that to somebody who called me Ali Kwakwa. Thank you, Bishop Neki Roberti, entertaining my problem. I'm getting up. Naledi. Thank you so much, Naledi. Aruna Roberti, Naledi. I entertain a problem. Dikau Roberts. Yo, Dikau Roberts and Naledi. If you entertain them, yo, the problem is if we didn't entertain. Because you know the problem is most of the time the problem is your corner. Do battle at your corner. Do by your corning. Zubeken like in so that it didn't do depress. What's what the problem is they can talk to you. The problem is they can preach for you. Problem can preach for you. Problem can ask you and then problem they can preach to you until Obama miserable. And that is why most of the time the problem they're battling at our corner. They are corner rama. Pete Mahalimele, you are more than my pastor, you are my brother. I follow you from long time. Thank you so much, my big brother. Thank you so much, Manandatus. Thank you so much, Mahalimele. Mr. Mahalimele, thank you so much. So, most of the time, the problem is you battle or ube one. In like is most of the time, the problem is the battle. Do be koning, you must be alone. And then do back at room, wabona, do back at room, had it cretili, be do lamon. Then had it cretili, be do rerena, zuxuma yezango. Did our rerena no? Did our rerela when only alone? Actually, they are isolated the problem. I'm telling you, Bon. Problem they got a strategy. So isolate moto. Di make a room. Then had it cretili, be do rerela, and you are getting old. Now you are getting old. And then how are you going to do about this whole thing? How actually the purpose of this problem, they are draining you emotionally, physically, emotionally. That is why I write down but I like these people I respect those people most about Bayandiklapo. It is not like those people they don't have problems. They do have problems, a serious problem. All these people all the influencers in the motivational speaker, whoever, including Lynn, I've got problems. Renality problems. No one can play langry and not problems. Only only problem. But you know what? The difference between us, when I'm about to decide when a problem, I'm not going to entertain you. Yes, I can see you are there and you want to dominate my life, but I am not going to entertain you. That is why Renal about to battle man by intervening, but about Jeff. Mutabaja we're not gonna yes, those people buy happy. Some of them they are not happy. Some of them buy out some Libabona about post by Biton and tell them gonna be on to Yao the tripping. Babamba the tripping, Baya the tripping, Babamba the tripping by some Babambaya, Mutalo Buka for 3 days. I book I to buy I can. No one I can play langware. And a problem. All of us. But the only thing is different. Abanyaban to Banengela. Yahoo distracted the problem at Sabo. So Yahoo who never talk on who distracted the problem at Sabo. And who distracted vacation. Give vacation. Yeah, kid vacation. When I about to vacation, Mutu Altamaye, I. Thank you so much, Tandy. Some of them live Calabona. You live a good life. Yo, you are happy, shame. I wish and Kabekilu and hey, about the only thing we've got different ways of distracting our mind or to shift our mind. We've got different ways. Luna is just that Papa Maruna li decide or Saluna the problem. Zini Sali Sendli. Saluna Jilu Sabato. Tsalona dia lilisa nya khala mar ba bang the problem tsa bona motho tla o jwetsa rona le I go out with my friend re lo jaifa re lo etsang e motho tla o jwetsa no I go with my friend re lo etsa di braai ba bang I will go for vacancy whatever the ntho tse jwang ba bang all of those things ba di etsa to distract themselves nna most of the time I enjoy bikes. Ke rata tsamaya ka bike, ke rata music wa mapiano, ke etsa eng. Why? I like that thing ya hore I must always have that ntho. Ke rata bu active, ke rata hore ke be flexible. That is why I love worshiping song, but I don't ke rata if o ka mpotsa hore between worshiping song and praise, ke rata the praise than worshiping. You know ntho ha ke rate di fela tsena tsebo haufi le murena kapa you are holy I don't ke di rate hantle wa bona ke rata ebong baleka you know why because dinale bo vavavum di etsa go be le vavavum that is why hona jole ke ntse ke reka dipina tsa ba tsa club ha ke tse bitswang barori tsena tsa apostola tse bitswang tsa apostola wa bona ke rata tsena tsa apostola no bo hosana ke rata ntho tse jwalo why di fana ka that thing ya bona zithenze ukuthi ndivuye di nketsa hore ke thabe di etsa hore ke be hyper go di nketsa ke be hyper ke be flexible so guys in short don't entertain your problem please Hasiba to both about Tabile. Clap and tap, thank you so much. Kirata about clap and tap. Kaufela, guys. Kaufela. The people they will comment to my post. Yo, Dr. November, you live a good life, Kirio, but Baba but we've got problems now, guys. We are going through a lot, but decide randi sazi entertain. We are going, Shabazalam. And a couple of my mona lefatim. So long ukhala ucimba abantu bazaku ucimba ukuthi abantu bazakuvela. Abantu namhlanje the same problem bakayichinja bayetsa dijoku kayona. Problems are how because but go wisha. That is why you can post unalimsanyana alla ar unanali munna wali Nigeria lenelim abuse alla hi anana batho batlo mutlala bohloko ma the same thing but ke ba inka ba ichinja ba pala kana bedlala ngayo why because batho ba khathetse ke dintho tse serious so if wena you think or batho ba the problem rena le di problem e le rona decide wena or wena ba tletsa jwang ka di problem tsa o batla di entertainer or batla dilana le tsona o tswe ho tsona tse ding ha o dilane le tsona but what ignore and sometimes ezinye problem azizochinja ngoku ezingazochinja ngoku try to ignore them and then awuqedile keep yourself busy by doing things ezinokwenza ba ulibale ngalonto. Thank you so much. I like deep worshiping too much. We differ also. No, we differ, Jennifer. We differ too much. We differ. Baba Barata, a deep worshiping because emotional. It has the emotion sabon. Baba Tauri worshiping. It has the emotional person. Now Nagirata pleke a vibe. Kirata pleke a nali bo vibe kapilo kakaofe. That is why most of the time wabona kinali mto. Kinali le hi-fi wabon Mtwaka Johannesburg speaker asena kisa Johannesburg Johannesburg kinali speaker asani Bloemfontein kinali sen every day we saying I get to sometimes kibulela lipiano we saying fela kijive you know why? Because I want to be flexible. Because when I'm happy, when I'm happy, when I'm happy, right. Fight for your happiness. Guys, thank you so much. I don't want to take your time. being. Thank you so much, guys. Please focus to your dream, focus to your vision, focus. Don't allow life to distract you. Skala dumela bophelo bo le distracted, guys, please. Distraction is a delay. Most of the time, distraction also bring a delay because uba late to plan, uba late to do things, uba late because you are distracted, you are miserable. So distraction, it also bring a delay. And delay will also bring frustration because when you delay your life, there are people who are progressing. Abanye abantu ba phumele. So langa wena distracted bophelo ba hao. Abanye abantu bayaphumelela. And the sad part, ngabagqiba uphumelela abo bantu, habaqeta utswela. Again, the same people, how kopana le bona, o tlo ba frustrated wena because now when you delayed your life, kaba kaladi la entertain the problem tsa now to play yokusasa ngoko utoba miserable because ke tla ruta ka delay le ngopotse ne ke batla to bua ka delay. What is the danger ya delay? Today delay e causes batho ba be jealous for other people. So don't allow a delay, don't allow a distraction to be part of your life. Don't allow your problem to distract your life because problems, they will distract your life and distraction will bring a delay in your life. Thank you so much. Let me pray, guys. Let me pray. And this thing in because black people, we are but we are late. Everything we call late. A delay is our thing. Rata delay. That is how long we 50 years mutaso ni bili mo adulandem. 50 years mutana ma adulandem. 50 years mutunta struggle. 60 years mutunta sebeta katata because we delay our life so much. So don't allow your frustration to distract you because distraction, it will bring a delay. Delay will bring a jealous. Let me pray. Mutumwaka ya pelam. Father God, this morning, that I pray for these people. That wakalo ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth. That ke a kopa mutumwaka lokile. Ke a tseba hona le batho ba miserable. Hona le batho ba frustrated. Hona le batho ba going through dintho tse ngata. Mutumwaka lokile. Ba bang ke di financial problem, ba bang ke di marriage issues, ba bang ke di relationship issues, ba bang ke di debts. Mutumwaka lokile. We've got so much so satana di tlisitseng as a frustration from a pillar road. Mutumaka, I pray kalibito la crest libito le lukile ntatwa ka lukile morena Jesu we tell into now runa batho bana le merolo a sinzinyeleyo re tlise di merolo ya runa hwe mutumaka lukile wena o tla re thusa hore imulla. We pray mutumaka lukile hore ro trust re tla o kopa mutumaka lukile re kopa o re thusa to trust you. Ro trustela di merolo ena ya rona, di burdens tsena tsa rona, di frustration mutumaka lukile, everything that you are going through yon mutumaka ke rapela re thuse ro trust ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth because you said lentswe la hao rona ba imetsweng re tlise merwalo ya hao wena o tla re imula. Papa ke rapela batho ba shebeletseng today ke ba rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth ke a o kopa tsatsing la ka shebelena thusa dikelelo tsa bona guys, tshwara dikelelo tsa lona, tshwara kelelo ya hao, tshwara letso la o le be pelong ya hao, nga letso la o le be pelong kelelo nya le lengwe le be pelong ya hao. Modimo ka ke ba rapela ka lebitso la Kriste. Number 1 ke rapela dikelelo tsa bona, 2 ke rapela dipelo tsa bona ka lebitso la morena Jesu, lebitso le nang le matla. Modimo ka lokileng ke rapela hore everything eneng e bodora dikelelo tsa bona, modimo ka lokileng ene le bodora dipelo tsa bona ntatwa ka lokileng. For now we are still waiting for you o tlo re thusa ho tsona hore re di overcome, but for now now modimo ka lokileng re thuse ho phela le tsona modimo ka lokileng ka lebitso la Jesu some problems ha di tlo change today but modimo ka ya lokileng re thuse ho phela le tsona ka lebitso la Jesu re fe peace ka ra tsona modimo ka lokileng ka lebitso la Jesu papa we thank you so much ke release a favor ke release a blessing hodima batho ba nshebeletseng tsatsing lena modimo ka lokileng breakthrough ke ba blessa ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareth ke a o kopa ntate ba yetsetse mohlolo ka lebitso la Jesu Christ wa Nazareth in Jesus name re a leboha ntate amen. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much ntate modimo a le bless haholo. Ka Saturday there is somebody ya mfounelang a njwetsang ka di issues tsa hae o na le di problem ha robala ke tsa mosebetsing and ha njwetsa a ke di mametse ke ke realize that the problem is na di tlo change tsena and then ke be ke ro yana a ngole pampiri a ngole ento a bale phepeng a ngole pampiring then a ngole dintho tsena kaofela tse mo bodarang ha qetile ke ha o qeta ho di ngola dinke o tshele a powder hodima pampiri ena le mabane ke re ken re yentse mabane ha ne ke re batho ba switche a Facebook off. I was doing that ke a ke re batho ba renka di powder re di tshela hodima di pampiri tsena ha re qetile o nka pampiri ena o ema ka ntle late o ngola dintho tsena tse bodarang ha qetile o nke this paper o tshele powder ka hodima yona ha o qetile bo re modimo wa ka powder ena e representa di problem tsaka this powder represents problems tseo ke nang le tsona ka rakelelo yaka now ha o qetile o bo blessa that powder and we bless haholo or modimo wa ka when ke blessa tjena ke ntsha di problem tsena di tsamaye le moya ke ne ke ba yetsisa jwang that thing very powerful guys so you must do that if you feel like I'm so much frustrated and depressed I cannot happiness in yetsa ntho onke powder o e tshelo di mapampiri then ha o qetile o bua modimo ka problem tsena ke kopa ditso ka rakelelo ya ka ha o qetile o bubutsela that powder o tla bona then we share and then how it tsamaetse in your mind o boiplela di tsena ke di problem tsene di le ka rakelelo ya ka ezingxaki zezibe singqondweni yami naza ziyahamba o tla bona you will be relieved bo trust me try that you will thank me later o tla ntebua later uzandibulela later ile ke nthweni tsa mo butswela late fanda go dingwe problem tsa ha o qetile bunka pampiri o beo o tshela powder di mapampiri ena yo ngotseng ho yona then o bless powder here o tla ntebua late believe me and o bua ke tsena di a tswa kelelong yaka di problem tsaka guys thank you so much my number is 073 202 9079 I give you the inbox the inbox di anhlola guys please inbox doesn't work for me I don't have time for the inbox ke kopa go come straight mfonele kapa o nketsetsa WhatsApp at least tsona but Tandiwe e ka ba a powder ya phofu e ka ba powder ya like let me show you a cake flour kapa baking flour ke tsebile bitsa ya ka ke why one and the cake flour but it's a cake flour here. Why one? Get it on. Why one I turn the way ya ka ke ena ke a butswe it's a powder effect you arabile ne. So guys, thank you so much. Inbox for me, they don't work for me. Again, I'm going inbox. When if you want to talk to me, 0 okay, ke arabile ne cake flour, kapa baking powder, whatever. Yeah. But you must make sure that you are ngola. Ngola pampiring etshweu. Ngola o qetile hore ezinto zindidinele ntho tsena di ntenne ke ntsha di problem tsaka di tsamaye le moya di tsamaye di heleng o bobutswe o tla nlebo nna ya ka ke anyone solanka ka ba powder ineleng as long e ka ba powder doesn't matter. And how we blast or it's a my hole. And then I'll qetile bore I'm relieved. You must make sure that I'll qetile wa bua I'm relieved. You will be relieved. I'm telling you. You know, but what am I disangoma? But bano, they know the power of your creation. But about power your creation. Wabana dingaka disangoma le batho ba tsamayang disangoma. They know the power your creation. Pampir, you must make sure that you use a paper clean, a school, clean, a white man. You must make sure that you use a paper clean, but a white. You must make sure that we use a white. Make sure that we use a white paper, but a white, and ungole mon. Or problem is in khatesk waria khatesk in you write down everything how to tell about sela powder yen how to tell about o yeme kantle o boy butswe o tlante bua guys le tla bua le tomorrow ka 9 o'clock ke tla ba teng TikTok on last week ke lebetse yeah like abina lady stripes like a tire like abina lady like this one. Yeah, even if it can be this one. Even if it can be that one. Ki mtate mong o na le problem e serious wa qoqo ka Saturday late. Be ke mo cancel a fedit. Ke re etse ntho. Mara nna ke entse le ena ke mo rapella. I prayed for yena ka rapella le la hae. I prayed them. Immediately that man kile ka mutlo aba relieved ka tselengwe hlotseng le maobane I did it kerekeng ke be ke re ba yetse. And then that is why kile ka switch camera off because ke a tsara batho ba ba negative. Kile ka switch camera ya Facebook off and then ka tswa Facebook. So yetse ntho ke qeta go le jotsa yona. Thank you so much. My number is 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. Guys, skala nketsa into Facebook into man the inbox di ntsenyetsa nako nthotseng a ke na nako check di inbox tsaka bua le nna ka call kapa o ye straight WhatsApp then re tla gona bua. Thank you so much guys.